My father was a small business owner, and I helped him out. So as a young married woman, as I watched my husband work very hard as a service technician, doing such an incredibly wonderful job, I suggested that we could create a business that we would run together. He agreed. And so the idea for Accutemp was born. This was in 1981. By 1984, we had gotten things rolling pretty well, and in '88 we incorporated, and that was when our name Accutemp was chosen. When I started to consider what Accutemp would be and what this business that we were forming would look like, the first thing that came to mind was integrity. It's really true that integrity and operating a business honestly is very important.